Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how I made the deal gate for measurement the bed level for my Ender-3 Pro 3D printed. This deal gate is used for measurement the 3D printed bed level without using a piece of paper. It's very accurate and easy to use. As you can see in this video, I have attached it to the nozzle head of the 3D printed part. Begin with the 3D printed part. I have designed it in the SolidWorks software and print it in my old Ender-3 Pro 3D printer. This 3D printer has no auto bed leveling function, so I need to make it one easy for me to measure a bed leveling. As you can see in this video, I attempt to make a OC 3D printed bolt, which I will show you in the next video. I have used the iron soldering for insert the brass nut in my 3D printed part. The brass nut is 3mm insert nut, which I bought from the Alibaba, China. First, you need to insert a screw in the nut before you insert in the 3D printed part to prevent the metal plastic from entering the screw test. There are 3 screws at the deal gate holder and 3 screws 3D printed nozzle head holder. The M3 screw used to lock the gate holder at the 3D printed nozzle head. The deal gate itself is cost around 3 to 4 bucks, which I bought from Alibaba, China. It is a cheap deal gate, but you can use to measurement such and not precision, but it's usable. To attach the gate holder to the nozzle head, you need to first auto home the 3D printed. My 3D printed Ender-3 Pro, it has no function auto bed leveling, so this tool is helped me so much to measure the bed level. I have attached it with the 3D nozzle printed head, but at the end of the video you will see I have attached it with the nozzle printed bar rolling because it's easy to attach and measure a precision bed level. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment below if you have a question. See you in the next video.